Hey guys, so if you have the issue with your LG dishwasher error code LE and looking for a way how to fix it, so I was looking for ways how you can fix the issue. So the first thing is that you want to check for overloading. Make sure the dishwasher isn't overloaded, as this can cause the motor to overload and trigger the LE error code. So this is the first thing, the overloading. The second thing that you want to inspect all the wiring. So take it out, take the bag out, where you can have all the wiring, because even when I look here by many people comments here, mine turned out to be a broken wire, which was an easy fix. So make sure you also check the wires at the bottom of the door where they bend from, coming from the iron of dishwasher. One of my wires broke here, so maybe the issue is that you have the broken wire somewhere that needs to be fixed. I found a severed wire and 3 nearly severed wires, as well as nearly severed ground. Patch all the wires and rub them in 1 point like how silicone waterproof tape. And then of course you can also try to reset the dishwasher, unplug it for like 10 minutes, plug it back in. And if this does not work out, you're not going to find any dishwasher, you can even like look on how to open the LG dishwasher. You want to check the motor and rotor if there is some issue with that. So just want to make this quick video for you how you can possibly fix it, and have a great day and goodbye.